Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahmood Sajid and you're watching Introduction of Biology with Mahmood Sajid. We have studied chapter number 5, cell cycle, in which today we study about the mitosis in detail. We study about the four phases, which are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and the telophase. Before starting the lecture, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can get my latest videos. So let's go to the screen.
Today we study about the very important long and the second phase of cell cycle is mitosis. First we study about the introduction of mitosis, that how, who and when mitosis was discovered. In 1880s, a German biologist, Walther Flemming, observed that the cell cycle in the nuclear passes through a series of changing. Then he called this phase is mitosis phase. Walther Fleming observed in cell division that the nucleus passes through a series of changes. When a nucleus is dividing, the nucleus passes from a series of changes, which he called the mitosis. Mitosis is the type of cell division in which cell divide into two daughter cells. Two daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as were present in the parent cell. That it means that the same number of chromosomes that is present in the parent cell was also duplicated to the daughter cells. Mitosis is the type of cell division. Phase of cell division. Mitosis is the type of cell division in which cell divided into two daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as were present in the parent cell. The mitosis is only occur in eukaryotes. Mitosis is not occur in prokaryotes. Now study about the phases of mitosis. This is the introduction of mitosis. Now study about the phases of mitosis. The next topic is phases of mitosis. The process of mitosis is very complex. That's why there are two major phases of mitosis. First is karyokinosis and second is cytokinosis. Today we only study about the karyokinosis because the phase of karyokinosis is very lengthy. That's why today we only study about the karyokinosis. What is karyokinosis? Karyokinosis, the division of nucleus, is called karyokinosis. The division of nucleus is called karyokinosis. Cytokinosis, the division of cytoplasm, is called cytokinosis. But we only study about the karyokinosis. The division of nucleus is called karyokinosis. But how the nucleus divide? The nucleus were divided into these four phases. First is prophase, second is metaphase, third is anaphase, and fourth is telophase. Today we study about the all phases of karyokinosis. So let's start to study. The first phase of karyokinosis is prophase. To study about that, what is the function of prophase? The genetic material in nucleus is in a loose thread-like structure that are called chromatin. Why chromatin is used? This is the paragraph, but I explained by the diagram that first there are three functions of prophase. These are the three functions of prophase. First function of prophase is to disappear nucleus envelope. As you can see the diagram, in this the nucleus envelope is disappearing and automatically. And the second function, that the centrioles comes on the opposite sides of the cell automatically. Why is the reason of the centrioles comes to the opposite side? That they exerted spindle fibers comes out from this chromatin and joined together from the backward of chromosomes. These are the chromosomes. They are joined. The spindle fiber joined together on the backward of the chromosomes. This is the function of prophase. The second phase is the next phase is metaphase. What is the function of metaphase? Metaphase. We have studied that the spindle fiber are joined back on the backward of the chromosomes. How they are joined? When they are joined, they form a metaphase plate. How they form a metaphase plate? This paragraph telling us that when spindle fiber have grown to sufficient length, as you can see the diagram, these spindle fibers have grown to sufficient length. Some spindle fibers, which is also known as kinetochore spindle fiber, these spindle fibers are called kinetochore spindle fibers, uh, attach with the kinetochore of chromosomes. These kinetochore spindle fiber attach with the kinetochore of spindle chromosomes. Two kinetochore fibers are fibers from opposite poles attached with the chromosomes. These are the opposite pole that exerted the spindle fiber. Chromosomes arrange themselves in a plate, like the plate. This is called the metaphase plate. This is function of metaphase plate. Now we study about the anaphase and the telophase. That is the last phase. Phases: anaphase and the telophase. First we study about the anaphase. That what is the function of anaphase? As you can see the diagram, this is the diagram of anaphase plate. In this, the centrioles attract the metaphase plated, and the metaphase plated has been divided. When a kinetochore spindle fibers connect with the kinetochore of chromosomes, it means that when the chromosomes make the metaphase plate, it start to pull toward the originating chromosomes. That this side is attracted by this centriole, and this side is attracted by this centriole. This pulling force divide the chromosomes, and chromosomes sister chromatid, and they separate. This pulling force, the pulling force of centriole dividing this chromosomes and this chromosomes. These chromosomes are divided sister chromatid, has been divided, and they separate. Now, where is the nucleus? In the telophase, the nucleus is again appears. Telophase is the reversal of prophase. As you can see the diagram, in prophase, nucleus is disappear. In telophase, nucleus appears again. A new nuclear envelope, not old, a new nuclear envelope forms around each other of the separated chromosomes. These nuclear envelope is formed on the each chromosome that has been separated. Both sets of chromosomes now surrounded by near nuclear envelope. Now, the division of nucleus completed. But cell division has not yet. One more step to complete. Which is the one more step? We study about the one more step in our next lecture. So, that's all.
So that's all. If you like my video, please like it, and if you have any query about this topic, please tell me in comment. Once again, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can get my latest videos. So we meet on the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.